to start now having these issues. You know, some trying.
If you are asked what do you have experience, you say yes, you do have.
Suicide. Pointers that
want to do more of writing.
Always seek information from people.
Go to social media not only for socializing but to learn, because when they use the media the correct way and they're able to learn things from it, it is a very, very, very important resource. But if they are just in the media to follow other people, to chat with the strangers and so on, then we are discouraging that kind of behavior. It should be limited because it is one of the causes of mental instability among you.
The positive side of social media is that it would expose you to job opportunities and also mental health. You can get websites that help you to cope with your mental health. But also on the other hand, there are websites that do not promote mental health. Hence, if you follow those pages, you end up on a very stressful path in life.
We are discouraging the young people from using the drugs and substance abuse, because at the end of the day there is nothing good it is bringing on the table. It is advisable to use social media positively, to, like the way we were telling them, go create your profile on LinkedIn, start networking positively, let the employers know who you are outside, let the world know the positive side of you. You do not have to use it to influence you negatively.